In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shine to a picture in Photopea. We'll create a clean, glossy pop by brightening the areas that already catch the light, and we'll do it non-destructively with gentle settings so the result stays natural. First, open your web browser and go to Photopea. It runs right in the browser, so there's nothing to install, and it works with common formats like JPG and PNG. Next, click Open from Computer and choose the image you want to enhance. For the best results, pick a photo that already has some directional light or reflective details, like hair highlights, jewelry, glass, or product edges. With your image open, select the Dodge tool in the toolbar. This tool lightens whatever you paint over, which makes it perfect for adding shine without changing colors. At the top, find the range option and choose midtones. Midtones are the body of most photos, so targeting them helps you lift brightness in a believable way. Using midtones avoids blowing out pure highlights or pulling up heavy shadows. Now click Exposure in the same options bar and set it to around 15%. A low exposure gives you finesse. You'll build shine gradually with a few soft passes rather than risking harsh, patchy spots. Open the Dodge tool dropdown and set a brush size that matches your target area. Use a larger size for broad glow across surfaces, and a smaller size when you want to pick out fine details like edges or small reflections. You're ready to paint. Brush gently over the parts of the image that already look bright. Along ridgelines, the curve of cheeks, the top of shoulders, metallic contours, or glossy packaging edges. Follow the direction of the original light so the effect blends in. Work slowly, lift your stylus or mouse between strokes, and let the shine build up. If you see the texture starting to flatten, lighten your touch and move to a neighboring area rather than continuing to stack strokes in one spot. Scan the image and add a little extra sparkle to key focal points, then stop before everything looks equally bright. That subtle restraint is what sells the shine and keeps depth in the photo. And that's it. By opening your image, choosing the Dodge tool with midtones, setting exposure to a gentle 15%, picking a comfortable brush size, and brushing thoughtfully over existing highlights, you can add a polished, glossy finish in minutes.